Hi, I am Nicholas. My duty is to teach you how to use the channel Speak with Mihiraa in order to improve your speaking skill in all aspects. The link to the channel is given in the description box below. I will be your companion for the role play. I will play the role of patient or carer as in the real role play. For beginners, you can practice like this. You can listen to my voice and afterwards, you can respond without looking at the screen. It will thus teach you how exactly you should speak during the role play. It is beneficial to all. Those who have no speaking partner, those who wish to practice speaking alone, those who wish to improve skills, those who wish to get some idea, and much more. In many ways, you can improve. For example, you can manage time, you can improve sentence construction, you can improve fluency, you can gather idea, you can practice alone, with the help of sample dialogues. Isn't it? So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below. Subscribe and start practicing now onwards. Definitely, everyone should give it a try. I wish you all the best. We hope it will be really beneficial to one and all.